hey guys, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another vlog of Shom's Lifestyle. आज हम लोग जो है आप लोगों के लिए 2014 का 4-wheel drive all time 4WD 3 लीटर Fortuner लेके आए हैं. So for the first time in the videos, we have the owner of RC Tunes, Rohan bhaiya over here.
Yeah, today we got a Fortuner, which is around 90,000 km driven. It's around 10 years old. The owner has a lot of Superchips or RC Tune cars. Mostly are Fortuners and Toyotas. So he wanted to try his old 10-year-old Fortuner as well. So we got it done today. And we have done a lot of old Fortuners, later Fortuners in the past. Today felt really nice after a long time we got our Fortuners. Firstly, with the Fortuner, it's kind of a surprise result because the entire car changes. The car becomes lighter, more stronger to feel. And the more here, the low end becomes much more better, the mid end, the top end, everything becomes totally changed. The car totally changed to stage one. And that is a very big surprise for anyone of us. It's a good gain on it. Around 210 bhp and around the 208 km power. That's about it. But yeah, the 2.8 is a newer version. They are good, they are much better in terms of the engage presence, smoothness, of course they're new cars, then they will be better. But again, 3 liter has the raw which proper off-roader only. So I think for my personal preference, 3 liter is always better.
And how was the stock one to drive, and after tune we drove the car, how was it?
Stock one was really sluggish, as we all know. The power comes up after almost after almost, and it is really push the car to start going. And after the tune, all these three changes, and you can the low end becomes much better. As I told you. So that's about it. And the entire car feels lighter. But again, at the same time, the engine feels much more stronger. So I always suggest everyone to get a better calibrated map. Better calibrated map will always give you better feel of the car. It will be able to feel the potential of the car. Because mostly in India and all over the world, the company doesn't give you the 100% potential of the car to use. Of course, the better calibrated map or stage one map, unlock it.
Now you guys will see how the car got tuned. It was just a OBD tune, no bench tuning was done on this car. And बहुत ज़्यादा difference है. Hell and heavens, मैंने stock Fortuner बहुत चलाए, ये वाले 3 liter manuals मैंने बहुत चलाए हैं, and this became a monster. And especially the all-time 4WD thing makes it a monster. So now enjoy some cinematic shots of the car. Then we will go for a drive. You will see how this monster pulls. Okay, and then we will end this video. And if you guys are liking this type of content, do hit like and एक comment कर देना ताकि हम लोगों को पता चलता रहे आप लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है वीडियोस.
Every day feels boring, the same thing, routine in the morning. Grew up too fast without warning, and when it rains it's pouring. I got dreams, big dreams, I wanna do big things, but I just can't seem to put it all together.
So now Rohan is driving the car. So how was the car stock and how is the car after tune?
So basically all these big trucks, I can say, which have been converted to a SUV in the Indian market. They have a huge lag in the low down. Even when you're driving in day-to-day traffic, the car feels very very heavy, especially the clutch. The engine feels sluggish. Yeah, after a certain point of time, your car starts running, but there's a huge good bit of lag. So that lag we reduce it by quite an extent. The car gets quite a lot of aggressiveness comes up. So this is a basic stage 1 map, nothing out of the blue or anything, just a basic tune, because this car has done 90,000 kilometers. It's 10 years old, customer loves the car, he doesn't want to sell it, he has a lot of Fortuners, so yeah, all the Fortuners are tuned, but this is his oldest right now, so he doesn't want to sell it or something, so we give it a like a midlife update.
Yeah.
And the car feels much more what it's supposed to be. It's clear, it's linear, easy to drive, peppy.
Check the pull, guys. And this is the all-time 4WD, right? So guys, गाड़ी कैसा लगा, पुल कैसा लगा, स्पेशली आप लोग ये बताओ जो मिड रेंज है एंड जब टर्बोस पुल होता है, दैट काइंड ऑफ टॉर्क मैन. सो इफ यू गाइस एंजॉय टुडेज वीडियो, इफ यू गाइस एंजॉय द कार, इफ यू गाइस एंजॉय द कंटेंट वी created, so do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bells on, follow me on Instagram at the username 404, or you guys can follow Superchips Kolkata and as well as RC Tunes. So as always, I'm at the end of today's video. I will look forward to seeing you next video real soon. Bye bye.
Know my name, I'm excited, I'm obsessed. No one in my way but myself.